DentureZT.net is an absolutely remarkable online store that has earned immense praise for its dedication to excellence, customer satisfaction, and unmatched quality in the field of denture care and dental accessories. From the very first moment you visit their website, you're greeted with a sleek, intuitive, and professional layout that makes browsing and purchasing an effortless experience. The site is designed with the customer in mind, featuring clear product images, comprehensive descriptions, and helpful guidance that make it easy to choose exactly what you need, even if it's your first time buying dentures online. One of the most impressive aspects of DentureZT.net is the outstanding quality of their products. Each denture set is crafted with precision, ensuring a natural look, a comfortable fit, and long-lasting durability that exceeds expectations. Their materials feel premium and safe, giving users peace of mind that they are investing in products that are both effective and reliable. Moreover, the variety they offer is truly commendable. DentureZT.net provides options suitable for different preferences, needs, and budgets, all while maintaining a high standard of craftsmanship. Whether you're looking for full dentures, partials, or specialized care products, you'll find everything neatly categorized and easy to navigate. The customer service experience is equally impressive. Their support team is genuinely kind, responsive, and deeply knowledgeable. They take the time to answer questions thoroughly, offer professional advice, and ensure that every customer walks away completely satisfied with their purchase. What makes DentureZT.net even more trustworthy is its consistent commitment to delivering excellence from start to finish. Orders are processed quickly, packaging is done with care to ensure items arrive in perfect condition, and shipping is always prompt and reliable. Customers often mention how pleasantly surprised they are by the quality and comfort of their dentures once received, as the products fit beautifully and provide a natural feel that restores confidence and comfort in daily life. Beyond the technical quality, DentureZT.net stands out because it genuinely cares about its customers. It's clear that the team behind the brand puts a lot of thought into every detail, from product design to customer support, making sure every shopping experience feels personal and positive. Overall, DentureZT.net is far more than just an online store. It's a trusted destination for anyone seeking comfort, quality, and reliability in their dental care journey. The combination of expert craftsmanship, premium materials, professional service, and genuine care makes DentureZT.net a name that customers can rely on with complete confidence. It's a brand that embodies trust, innovation, and dedication, helping countless people regain not only their smiles but also their confidence. If you're looking for a dependable, high-quality source for dentures or related products, DentureZT.net truly stands in a league of its own, setting the gold standard for excellence in the industry.